What's up guys, this is Emiri Netic and this is DJI Mavic Mini. So you know about it, you heard about it. So what do we know about the aircraft? So this drone is so light that you don't have to register it with the FAA. So that's one of the newest drone laws, as if you have an unmanned aircraft that is more than 250 grams, you have to make sure to register it to legally be able to fly. So this is ironically guys, 249 grams. So guys, we gotta talk about the specs on this thing. So it has a micro USB port for fast charging, and it supports 18 watt fast charging. For photos is 12 megapixel, and the maximum resolution for video is 2.7K, as you can shoot it in 25 or 30 FPS. But if you switch to full HD, you can shoot it in 25, 30, 40, 50 and 60 FPS. It has both GPS and downward sensors for vision positioning, so it can hover both indoors and outdoors. Right, so guys, a lot of you guys are talking about the big deal on this thing. So what do we know about this? Like, to me, it's the big deal weight. Weight is always a big deal. Like, it's 249 grams. You don't have to register with the FAA, and you don't have to tell them who you are. You don't have to put a registration or serial number on the aircraft. You basically can just go out and fly this thing, because when it comes to the FAA, they can't do a whole lot. So guys, I think we have to step it up a little bit and go outside to fly this drone. So let's do this. Oh man guys, I have never had a drone like this before. The video quality on this thing is absolutely a big deal and cool also. So if you are a total beginner and nervous and new to drones, this is the way. Save the money, get the Mavic Mini. So guys, we are back now. So one other big deal about this drone is it's tiny. It's like even tinier than my hand. And second, like if you want to charge it somewhere, you can charge it also with a power bank, and it's so tiny that you can put it in your backpack. That's a big deal guys, you can charge it in your backpack. So yeah guys, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. So let me know in the comments section below what you think about this drone. Like, is it a big deal or not? And like my videos guys, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.